Hey?
It's impossible.
Yo, okay, this is like perfect, guys. Let's go.
Yeah?
I can't wait. This is my happy place. It's probably also this fire I'm standing right over. Yeah. Don't record me. I'm just starving. I have to get used to it still.
So crisp, I love that.
Whoa, look at that. Look at that light.
Oh yeah.
That's fire. I guess it's smoke, actually.
That's the consequence of fire.
When I was reading this one book on astral projection,
Yeah.
you can form your astral energy into like whatever you want.
Yeah.
So you could like, if you wanna, so what you can, and it gives you like vague impressions of what it saw along the way. It's like it's an interesting
cool.
concept. I haven't tried it, but
Yeah.
it's definitely cool.
I definitely want to look into astral.
The guy just creeps behind
He's
you.
like, yeah, it just changes scene and it doesn't like make like a big noise or anything yet, but you just like
He just
see him
fucking
like half of
pops
his face. Yeah.
That shit scares the. They go from like 10K to like 20K.
Really? Yeah, even like the used ones, people.
Yeah. You find them anywhere. You could probably get one for like 200 euros.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Just cause like back there, they're just like they're old shit.
Yeah.
They prefer like new Audis and stuff, you know.
Sports cars, yeah.
Cause like they don't give a fuck about an old Volkswagen van.
Yeah. What were you saying about your dad? He had like a car that he was like bringing there or brought from there. That would be sweet to like go over to Europe and buy one of those and then just like sell it after the done or something.
Yeah. That's what I want to do. Like, right now our apartments aren't finished yet.
Knocking boots. Butt to butt.
They're fucking. I would want to put like way more detail in the water.
Yeah.
Like I would want you to be able to see the bottom of the river.
Fucking reflection too.
Yeah.
Oh.
I like this one a lot.
I am obsessed.
But the thing is, I do like a lot of meditation.
I love that.
Thank you.
That's the shit. So what do you think you're gonna do with that?
I'm gonna take care of them.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna learn from them as much as I can and see if I could fucking teach them something.
Yeah. That's really good.
Yeah.
That's gonna be funny. They're like all happy that you're gonna take care of them, and then you're gonna be like,
Yeah.
what a like influential figure.
Yeah.
You can kind of still have those figures nowadays. Like someone could just rise up and have that like power in them.
Yeah.
To influence others.
Most interesting thing I've learned from him.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
Because he's like, what do you think about when you think about a guru? Like, what comes to your mind?
I think someone who like spends a lot of time meditating and advising.
what they like pick them. I don't know if they're gonna pick them.
Why gotta BC one of those big like redwood forests?
Yeah.
Or like Yosemite.